Okay, so nandito na po yan sa Pacers Indiana si Tyrese Haliburton, no? So napakaangas niyan mga mas at mga madam sa Pelicans yan. Updated na rin, Detroit, updated na rin yan guys, Raptors. Ang galing talaga mag-mod na ito na ni Clickin TV, Spurs, yan, Net Brooklyns, updated na rin mga roster niyan, Dallas, same pa rin, Orlando Magic, at sa Lakers. Let's go, panoorin niyo mabuti itong tutorial na itong Yon, so welcome back po sa ating channel mga mas at mga madam na. So meron na naman po tayong bagong mod. Ito po yung kay Sir Clickin TV. Ito po yung Jumpman 23 niya. So pag na-download nyo na po lahat ng files, punta na po tayo dito guys sa may Z-Archiver. Then punta po kayo ng internal, then click nyo po yung download. Yan, so ito na po yung na-download natin na OBB guys. At ito na po yung NBA Toy 25 Jumpman 23. Okay, so ano na yan guys, parehas na pong sobrang dali lang niya i-download talaga. So una natin gagawin guys is install muna natin itong NBA Toy 25 Jumpman ni Clickin TV. Click nyo lang po yung install guys. So pagdating dito guys, click nyo lang yung more details. Then click nyo lang po yung install anyway. Then, new spin. Kung may spin po yung cellphone nyo, input nyo lang. Yan, tapos mag-install na po yan. Tapos, click nyo po guys yung open. Check natin kung magra-run na po siya. Okay, sundin nyo lang yung tutorial na to guys Yan, click nyo yung allow. So, nakalagay dyan guys, the app is not properly installed kasi may gagawin pa po tayo guys. So, click nyo po yung okay, no? May gagawin pa po tayong method. So, pag okay na yun guys, pag hindi po siya nag-go, ibig sabihin yung OBB natin, hindi pa natin siya nalalagay. Okay? So, i-open nyo lang yan guys. Then, click nyo po yung tatlong dot sa may taas. Then, click nyo po yung multi-select. Then, select nyo yung dalawa. Then, hold nyo po guys. Then, click nyo po yung copy. Copy lang guys copy. Then, punta po kayo guys ng device storage. Then, punta po kayo guys ng Android. Then, punta po kayo guys ng OBB. Then, ito, open nyo to guys yung cam.t2k sports. Ito, open nyo po yan guys. Then, click nyo po yung pay sa baba. Okay, naubo pa, sorry. Click nyo yung pay sa baba. Tapos, wait lang natin siya guys matapos. Okay? So, madali lang naman to matapos guys. So, fast forward na natin guys para mas mabilis. Okay, so ito na po yan guys. Na-paste na po natin yung main at yung patch na OBB. Okay, pag okay na po yan guys, try na po natin ulit. Tingnan natin kung magra-run na po guys yung NBA Toy 25 ni Clickin TV. Okay, so ito na po yan guys So, open na po natin yan guys. Let's go. Sana mag-open na siya. Yan, okay. So, pag lumabas na to guys, ibig sabihin, okay na yan. Okay, yung NBA Toy 25 Jumpman 23. Okay na yan guys ni Clickin TV. So, click natin yung play now. Grabe, nito guys, napaka-astig na ito. Sobrang updated roster na po rin to guys. Parang yan upload din natin kaya na gamer Whitey. Okay, parang kay JM Gamer, halos same din po siya. Okay, so wait lang natin yan guys, lalabas din yan. Loading screen niya yan, pero lumalabas naman siya. Okay, wait lang natin. Top screen to continue. Yun guys, no, so start na nga po natin to guys. Click po natin yung 2K nav. Okay, click po natin 2K nav guys. Tapos sa load po natin yung pinaka updated na roster. So ito po yan guys, yung NBA Toy 25 Jumpman 23. So yan po yung gagamitin natin guys. Okay, so yan, check natin. Tapos check natin yung mga roster nya guys, yung updated roster nya. Yan, so yan, no, di ba kita-kita niya, Philadelphia, Milwaukee, Celtics, lahat yan. Pero dito tayo guys sa may Indiana Pacers para malaman nyo na updated na po talaga siya. Okay. Hanapin lang natin guys. Yan targets yan, Pacers Indiana, diba? Nandiyan na si Tyrese Haliburton. Okay. So updated na po talaga siya. Yan sa Pelicans, updated na rin yung Piston Detroit. Halos lahat po yan is updated na po. So ipalo nyo lang talaga yung tutorial natin sa pinakaunang mga video. Tapos yung sa ano nito, unang part, panoorin nyo yung video. Okay, Nuggets, nandiyan na rin. That's Brooklyn. Halos lahat naman yan guys. Yan, Dallas. Tapos sa Lakers, kompleto rin yan. So, tara laruin na natin to guys. Let's go. Yan, okay. So, makikita nyo, diba? Halos lahat yan is updated na. So, quick play po tayo. So, gamitin po natin guys ay ang pili tayo Indiana Pacers. So, Indiana Pacers. Yan na po, okay. Tapos kalabanin natin GS. Okay, tara, let's go. Lari na natin guys, napaka-angos niyan guys, diba? Indiana Pacers guys, Golden State Warriors. Let's go. Butler, bigil na din So yun na po, magalaban na po yan si Tyrese Haliburton, Benedict Mathurin, nandito na rin po guys. Miles Turner, diba? Aaron Smith sa Pascal Siakam. Then sa GS naman po, check natin. Stephen Curry sa Brandon Podziemski. Grabe, angas din yun. Draymond Green. Okay, so start na natin guys. Para malaman natin paano kaangas itong gameplay na ito. Ganda Ganda yung graphics niya guys. Ultra HD na to.
Curry with it.
Whoops. Si Haliburton.
Shoots from 14.
Nice one.
That one goes long.
No breathing room at all to take that shot.
Okay, Haliburton. Tumas. Uy, sablay yan. Layo.
Warriors with the rebound.
Ang layo. Grabe naman yun.
Dunk, a chance for two at the line. It's his first trip to the line.
Angas pala. Ganda mo. Eh.
Good ball.
Grabe, medyo angin Warriors.com. So, gayaan nyo lang mabuti guys yung tutorial na ginawa natin kayo na para gumana po yan guys.
And
Oops.
so Butler nails both of them. And so it's Indiana with it.
Haliburton, Smith. Uy, shoot ka.
No good.
Ganda naman ang bitaw, no?
Here's Curry. Doris Burke had a chance to catch up with head coach Nate McMillan. Here's what he tell you. Reverses.
Nice
And
one.
to go.
Pasa.
Now Turner.
Pasa.
From the corner.
Ila.
And the Pacers
Ayun
can't
naman.
get it to go.
Boy, for my taste, he's far too inconsistent with that shot. He's got to make those if he's going to take his game to the next
Score
level.
naman to. Pahirapan tayo natin. Hindi pa tayo nakaka-score, Ayos niya.
First quarter of play, 1 minute played. Here's
Stephen
Curry.
Curry. Ay, grabe naman yun. Just lang,
9 feet out.
Sablay pa.
Boy, after the first three misses, I thought
Haliburton
they'd
na
get one here.
ginagawa mo.
They still can't connect.
Uy!
The feather touch on the finger roll.
Guys.
Not trying to rattle the
babawi
rim
tayo.
the racks there. Just up and in with the finger
This
roll.
one.
First 1:30 gone here in the first quarter.
Nice
Took him
one.
No time at all on that
Oh,
one.
yun, magas lang.
Took a little time, but they get one to go. Maybe they're warmed up now.
Puts the lead pass in front of him.
Nice naman.
He is so good at making those lead
Maganda
passes.
bitawan niya
Like
yun.
conducting an orchestra.
Uy!
Out of bounds. Golden State takes
Boss
possession.
ko nga.
I tell you what, that's just
Sobrang
a
tapo.
major unforced error right there, guys.
Dapat
My
ang score na matino guys, pero lalaban tayo.
And it's going to be out of bounds. The
Uy,
Pacers
out
will
of
take it.
bounds.
Just got a little careless on that pass. They should be able to connect on
Yes,
those.
sir.
Siakam.
Haliburton.
Just about 2 minutes into the
Layo.
game. First quarter of basketball.
Ang layo.
3 on 3
Guys.
from the baseline. Can't hit.
Nice one. Pasa mo.
And
Nice
foul
foul.
at that time. He'll get to the line and shoot two. No good on the
Sablay
free
pa
throw.
nga. Free throw na nga lang tayo lumamang.
He hits
Nice
the
one.
second from the line.
Sa free throw na lang, kala ko tatamlay pa.
Now
Hey.
here's Curry.
That's two
Well,
fouls
pa nga.
for him very early in this ball game.
Papalitan pa nga,
Probably
diba?
have to spend some time on the bench before halftime.
The Pacers making a switch
Sa
here.
G nagpapalitan. Okay guys ha, kung gusto nyo talaga pumalaro sa mga tutorial. Uy!
First quarter of ball, almost
Nice
2.5
one.
minutes in. Deflected.
Ako,
And here they come. Now here's Butler. Curry. Another shot. And the
ako, sumab... Grabe yung ano, GS no? Pakalakas talaga ng GS guys.
Indiana trailing here. Takes a three.
Nice one, nakabawi
I'm not
rin
sure that was
guys.
the play they
Tinamis
had
din.
set up, but it was too good a look to pass it.
Kahabol pa ng score.
First quarter of play. We're about
Hey.
3 minutes in. Lays it up and banks it in.
Santres pa. Dulo natin.
The three.
Uy! Mag-play sayang. Yes.
Outside Curry.
Uy!
Finish at the rack off the slick feet.
Malakas naman nila. No? So hanggang dito na lang guys yung ano, tutorial natin at gameplay. No? So kung nagustuhan nyo to guys,
Three-pointer.
please ano nyo na siya, i-download nyo na po siya. No? So, catch po tayo sa next na video at God bless po sa atin.